Go. Go. I didn't make it. And how fast, so that one, and how fast the rest of them disappeared is nuts. Come, here. No, stay. Stay. We're gonna hook you up again before you get completely out of shape. No, no, no. So you did not get it because you were too slow, and you have to live with this. For a moment at least, you have to live with it. Okay? The fun part with this big dog is she never gets them, ever. And it keeps the squirrels on their toes. So if this would be Jack Russell, for example, those squirrels would be history. But shepherd, they need to really, really learn how to do this, and you better have like 2 or 3 of them that take this problem coordinated, so where they not all run and at it from the same direction, you know. The Yorkies were very good at that. You know, one is moving slowly towards the squirrel, and the other Yorkie is T-boning it when it runs away. So that's how it usually works. So in my previous video, like the first clip here, it was interesting stuff happening. But so my shutter was for some reason set to 148 fixed. That was not cool. I don't know how that happened. But you can't have everything. So right now we are out here practicing the Squirrel Hunt again, where I'm very confident that this particular one, is not capable of hunting right. It wants one so bad, but it doesn't know how to do it. It has to learn how to do it, and practice is the thing. But even then, for a shepherd, because of the mass and body weight, they are so slow, there's no way they get a squirrel. The squirrel must be really stupid. Now, if you have a shepherd that is able to grab squirrels, let me know in the comments below. I had one that grabbed one by accident as he was sleeping, so it basically ran over the dog as he was sleeping, so he grabbed it in the air, and even then, like, he didn't kill it, he was just holding it, and then it escaped, ran over his head, over his back, and jumped on a tree. So that was hilarious. And shepherds are more in grabbing people, they are not as fast. And sheep, you know, like going after a sheep, that's not very fast compared to a shepherd. There's other dogs meant for that. So I think we had enough practice. We're gonna go and leash again. Come here. Where's the leash thing? Here, stop. Don't move, no. Stay. This is like with one hand. There you go. You have like grass seeds on you. Okay, let's go. Yet another dog walk morning vlog. Nice and quiet today. So this morning we do have very, very low water levels again. Usually like a bit better here. So I have out my GoPro Hero 9 today, where I'm recording this with, and why do I do that? I don't know where my 10 is. I put it somewhere, and I don't know where, and then also I don't know where my love mic is, my lavalier mic. No idea where it is, and those spoiled ducks here, they're hilarious. So they're laying eggs. They lay an eggs and then they don't breed them. You know, I don't know, when is this duck egg? When is it coming out? Look at that. You're gonna get the puppy out of it, or what? Maybe it was not fertilized. That's a possibility. The fleas are waiting on it. I don't want to step on it. But they still, I mean, they still multiply, right? They're just, maybe that egg popped out by accident. That's possible. And here's our squirrel friends again. They also have fleas, like the rest of the gang. So whenever you think it's fun for your dog to chase ducks or play with them, or lay where they lay, so if you make your dog sit in an area where you have ducks walking around, that's where your dog gets fleas. So you just need to be aware of that. So they just lay an egg there and then they leave it. Maybe it was not good. It's possible. It's like 4 males are following this one female. Where are they going? Oh, they're going to the playground. What are they doing there? Playing in the playground? Maybe they're gonna lay another egg. 1, 2, 3, 4 males here. One is not as brave as the other 3. So the other 3 are the brave ones. Because this one is waiting here. This one is waiting here, but that not so brave duck over there doesn't know that the dog is not waiting for it. There's no reason to slow motion this. This dog can do slow motion. We are in real time here. So I can show this, we are in real time. There goes my green background. Oh. I don't even know if I record because I have the LEDs turned off, and since I can't find my GoPro Hero 10 this morning, I'm using the Hero 9, and without front display, oh, that was a mosquito. Without front display, it's really hard to see what you're recording. So that's a good part about the Hero 10, but this one never overheats and the battery lasts forever. So that makes it easier to take videos of stuff. Like this morning, for example, those lovely ducks. Take a quick look at them. There they all are. They're still tired. They're waiting for the visitors in the park here to bring them food. They do. And then every once in a while they lay an egg. So if you haven't had breakfast yet, just grab yourself an egg. I don't know how duck eggs taste. Wild duck eggs. I wonder how they would taste. I don't know if I would eat one here in this park, because I think this is probably worse than in the egg factory by what they get for food here. I mean, they eat a little bit of grass and stuff, but there's also people feeding them all the time, even though it's not wanted or not legal, let's say, to feed them. People do it all the time and they think it's funny, but those dogs are getting fat and die from a heart attack later. It is what it is. Very quiet here this morning and different colors than we have with the Hero 10. Oh, here's the path in the park, and here on the right is a secret path. Look at that. Let's hope the mosquitoes are not hiding in here. We're growing some weeds here on the left, and then there's this little pathway. It's next to the river here. I don't know if you guys can see this. The river with a that is low on water. Look at it. There's not much water in it today. Comes from there. Goes down here. Little foamy down there. In the early days it went through there. And this here was blocked with an island, so you could walk over there. But then one day there was so much rain that it basically flooded this piece and broke through. That's why the stream is a little faster in the moment. Well, little secret path. Go through here. See what's happening. It's pretty cool in here. Much cooler than in the open. Spider webs and stuff. Wow. Sunshine right into the camera, and there we are back on our main road. Come over here. I'm not gonna walk through the spider webs there, am I? She's just looking for squirrels here. Alright. I think that's it for today, for my little dog walk vlog. The church bells are coming on again. That means I have to go back home, take a quick shower, and then go to work. Talking about secret passages earlier, there's another one. If you go down there, you go up the stairs and out of this park. Down the way here, down this path, and then upstairs. You can also go across here, the grass, and just walk up here. Let's see how that works. It's a little steep. And let's see, spider webs. But you have the dog go first. You have the dog look for sometimes human feces. I saw a lady here eliminating, like a few years back before COVID. They stopped here with a minivan here, a whole bunch of people here in this parking spot, and they had grandma go down here, the steep thing, and go there instead of using the bathrooms that were open down the street. She must have been in a hurry. But that stuff happens with people. Alright.